an angel of mercy to see through all my sin. There were times in my life when I was going insane, trying to walk through the blood. When I lost my grip and I hit the floor, yeah, I thought I could leave, but couldn't get out the door. I was so sick and tired of living a lie, and I was wishing that I would try. It's amazing, really bigger than I finally see the light. Whoa, it's amazing when the moment arrives that you know you'll be alright. It's amazing, and I'm saying a prayer for the desperate hearts tonight. There are warless shots, abandoned education, and how can you fly with broken wings? Yeah, life's a journey, not a destination, and it just can't tell just what tomorrow brings. Oh yeah, you have to let it grow before you let it walk. But I just could always do without just what just struck. Oh yeah, yeah, with someone street, just trying to survive, scratching his tail. It's amazing when the bigger than I finally see the light. Oh, it's amazing when a moment arrives that you know you'll be alright. Yeah, it's amazing, and I'm saying a prayer for the desperate hearts tonight. Desperate hearts, desperate hearts, get it on, sing it on, and get on, yeah. Oh, what do I do? Still go on, never gonna too late, never gotta go, never, yeah.